Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about Rogers. Rogers is basically a telephone, internet, and cable TV provider in Canada. And if we look at the service, it's currently down in some areas. So if you're facing problems with your TV, internet, or the telephone, then it is not something to do with your particular connection. There are different outages reported in different areas. If we look at the status on the down detector, you can see a lot of reports being made recently, and you can see a lot of comments posted by different users that their internet and TV are down. As you can see, mostly it is with the internet and with the mobile internet as well. Now, if you want to get in touch with them, here is the official Twitter account for Rogers. And also, if you want to get in touch with their sport team, then here is the one which is Rogers Helps. This is the one where which is for their sport team. Now, in order to get an update, there is a link which was posted by them on Twitter, but it was outdated, so I figured out a new one, and it has only been posted a few seconds or a minute ago. It says that service interruption in Toronto, Ontario area. So here is where you can get latest updates on what the status is. There's no ETA provided right now, but you might get something on this very soon. So if you want to get in touch or you want to stay updated on any ETA, then you can follow this link here. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. Other than that, there are problems at the Fido as well. It's basically another services provider, mobile and internet services provider in Canada, and it is also owned by Rogers. And currently, you can see there are different reports being made. So it seems like obviously it's a sub company of the Rogers. So it seems like overall there seems to be a problem going on in the area regarding different networks. So if you are down as well, then you could go to this link here and you could follow the updates over here, and also you could contact them on Twitter as well. So that's all for today's video. Hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.